morning from Kaohsiung. We are leaving right now and we are going to Sun Moon Lake today. But we're going to drop by Taiwan on the way. We woke up this morning to a small earthquake. Hey Daniel.
It was a 4.8 last night at 3:30 a.m. and then this morning, I haven't actually seen how big it was this morning.
Deadly 7.4 magnitude earthquake. It's the most powerful earthquake to hit the island nation in 25 years.
Probably over 5. Probably 5.
Did you guys check?
Done the MTR this morning. Looks like all of the trains delayed because that earthquake was actually massive. It was 7.2. It was just over the other side of the island. And so now it looks like we might not be able to get to where we're going. The news crew is setting up. This seems to always happen to us whenever we travel. Some sort of emergency happens. Japan, there was a landslide.
Entrance to the local JR train. Closed. Blinking red. Everything's flooded.
And then in Malaysia there was a landslide as well.
Rescue effort is still underway in Malaysia after deadly landslide in the popular Genting Highlands in Selangor.
Something always seems to go wrong. Pausing in the middle of nowhere because of aftershocks. Maybe we should have stayed in Kaohsiung. You don't think so?
Well, there's continuous aftershocks from that 7.2 this morning. So the train keeps on stopping temporarily to check the tracks ahead and get an update. But none of them are too big apart from like a 6 or so, 6.2 there.
Well, we're an hour late, but we've got into Taiwan. Better that they're safe than sorry, yeah?
Yeah.
Only an hour late.
Yeah. And I'm glad they checked the tracks.
Now we're going to go see if we can catch our bus to Sun Moon Lake or if that's been cancelled. Why'd you get a freebie, Brian?
Because it was free. Emergency earthquake supplies.
Cheese bagel!
Oh, they actually look quite good.
Well, there's a long line here of people trying to figure out what to do. Oh, and Daniel's drink bottle's gone, walking, line to the custom help desk. We're at Sun Moon Lake and now we're going to go find Grandma's B&B for us to drop our bags. It feels oddly, like, deserted. I thought that Taiwan would have a lot more people. Hey, it's Grandma's B&B. We are here at Grandma's Airbnb. It's very nice. Very spacious, very clean, really comfy. So, let's hope it's earthquake proof. So there's a breakfast menu option. Things like cheese Chinese omelette, bacon Chinese omelette, ham and cheese Chinese omelette, green onion pancake and cheese, Chinese tunic.
Your point of difference, you know?
Put my picture. Oh no, yes. Yes. Oh, be careful, please.
Oh, that's okay.
Level! Hey!
Indicators.
Okay. Baby, you look your eye. Slowly. Yes, that's good. Yes.
These are zippy. Going on the right. How are you finding it?
That's fun.
It's pretty too, isn't it?
They're like little electric scooters.
I know.
Go around like a third of the lake, basically. We're going.
We're going.
Turn it on and zoom. See the bridge. There goes Virginia.
We're on our way to the dam now, and it's still an hour to sunset, but it's just beautiful, so calm and clear and just beautiful in this area. So, the famous pagoda is lit up. It's getting dusk here, and it's just really pretty. Look at these two eating from their beer soup bowls.
Look at the view.
Their beer soup bowls.
Yeah, barely eating.
Heading home early just to have a rest.
With another milk tea.